Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. One stock, one time frame, one trade only if my setup appears. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. Alright, the target just hit at 12:15, 16. Let's recap. So this green line is the low of some day back then. It came closer here to retest it earlier, but never actually touched it, and I wasn't sure of the pattern because it was this pattern here, and since it didn't touch and the break was a little weird, and then I just didn't want to take this trade and wait for another setup, and this is what happened here. Since it never touched it to retest, and it looks like it's putting bearish direction here. So, and I enter right here. My stop was up here, and my target was at the retest of this low here because it never touched there actually. That's the reason I went bearish. Otherwise, I was gonna look for a bullish setup, maybe here. This is probably gonna be, if comes here and break this is a great bullish trade. But I looked for bearish because it never retested. So that's what happened. So this is the trade for today. I followed my plan, waited for my setup, and execute without forcing anything. I exit based on my rules, not emotions. The win isn't the money. The win is that I stay disciplined. Tomorrow the goal stays the same. Show up, follow my plan, and let the market do the rest. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.